Welcome to Triad InfoSec. We are the extension of your IT team that you have been looking for. With decades of experience and the top certifications in the field, we can provide your company with robust security mitigation strategies. Thank you for watching this presentation.
Yet, we are all here together. We all do the same what's. Disdaining each other's whys, judging each other's hows, and only accepting one another based on the who's.
Welcome to 132 Tudor Place in Kenilworth. This exquisite renovation in a beautiful Nantucket style offers an exceptional lifestyle, nicely nestled on a lovely cul-de-sac in East Kenilworth. Come in and take a look.
Just like the water that runs deeply in the lake. Filled with mystery and wonder.